Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the Google TV Streamer 4K and fully load it with all your favorite movies, TV shows, and sports apps. The special code I'm about to share has all the apps updated, and I've personally tested it myself to make sure it works smoothly, so that even if you are a beginner, you can set it up in no time. But for that, you'll need to watch the whole video very carefully, so let's get right to it. Alright, so the first step to this whole process is to head over to the menu on the top using your remote and then select the settings icon all the way to the right. Okay, so now this is where you can change all your device's settings. You'll need to scroll down to where it says System and then select About from the list. Now from here, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. Okay, so this is the most important part, and I want you to pay full attention here. What you need to do is click on this option 7 times continuously, and I'm going to do that right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And once you do that, this is the message that will be displayed on your screen. It says here, you are already a developer. As soon as you see this message, that means you've done this step correctly. Next, just press the home button once. And now we need to install an app called Downloader on our device. That is where we will install all our favorite apps from. So again, go to the menu on top, and this time, select Apps. As you can see, it is already suggesting me the Downloader app from the list, but for any reason, if it doesn't show up on your device, you can even search for it from this search bar by typing Downloader. Alternatively, you can just use your voice commands with your remote to find it instantly. As you can see, there are a lot of Downloader apps on this list, but we will need to select this orange color one with a big D written on it. Click Install, and in a few minutes, our Downloader app will be installed. As the app is downloading, I will ask you to hit the subscribe button. It will hardly take a second, guys. Okay, our app is now installed. Let's go ahead and open it. So the first time you launch the Downloader app, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions that it needs to work properly. So I'll just press OK. Here you can see a search bar. What you need to do is select it and then type this short code 730116. This is a short code for my website's downloader page where I've compiled more than 200 apps in different categories altogether for your convenience. I've put in a lot of time and effort into categorizing all the apps into their respective categories, such as movies, sports, TV shows, VPNs, etc., and every link here is updated and working perfectly. Okay, so maybe you're just starting out and not sure which apps to download right away. Don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. From your mobile or PC, just head over to my website, firestick.hacks.com. It's packed with everything streaming related, from app recommendations to jailbreak guides and downloader codes. My website has it all. Once you find what you're looking for, return back to your Google Streamer. And since I'm going to be installing third-party apps, I am going to connect to a VPN that I think is extremely reliable today, in terms for privacy, in terms of security, and keeps your data safe online, and costs even less than a cup of coffee a month. If you don't already have a VPN, you can get Surfshark from the link provided in the description. I'll also be doing a full setup video of SurfsharkVPN on this Google Streamer device, so make sure to stay tuned for that as well. Alright, so suppose this is the app you want to install. Click on it once and the app will start to download automatically. So the very first time you download an app from Downloader, you'll see this message on screen. What we need to do is change one setting in order to install the app. So just press Settings. And here you'll see the Downloader app. Scroll down to it and then turn this toggle on. This is going to give permission to the Downloader app to install third-party apps. There you go. Our app is now installed. You will only need to turn this permission on only for the first time you install an app on Downloader. Now press the back button, and then you'll need to click Delete a couple of times to remove the APK installer files from your device. Now I'm going to press the Home button, and as you can see here, the app we just downloaded has been added to the list. That's it, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends. That's the best way to support the channel, guys. Stay tuned because I've got more tips and updates on streaming devices coming your way very soon. Till then, be safe.